Hey guys, and welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll show you what the Limlex Hydro Shield X Coating Spray is, what it offers, and how it works. So let's get started. According to the official website, the Limlex Hydro Shield X Coating Spray is a ceramic style coating spray designed to help clean, protect, and add a shine to your vehicle. The company says it's suitable for use or for using example on any car paint, glass, wraps, and both matte and glossy finishes, providing, of course, an all-in-one solution without the need for polishing or waxing. According to the website, one of the core main features is the Hydro Shield X technology, which the company says basically helps the ripple water, dirt, and everyday basically grim while leaving a glossy finish. The website also states that the coating can last up to 8 months depending on vehicle care and weather condition, and that the formula is free from hazardous chemicals. And of course, before purchasing, take a few minutes to review the product information and make sure it offers the features that you're looking for. And it's also a good idea to read the usage instruction carefully and do your own research before placing any order. According to the official instructions on how to use it, begin with the clean and dry vehicle and spray a small amount of the coating directly into the paintwork. Then use a clean microfiber cloth to spread and polish basically products until the surface has an even finish. The company says no specific or special like preparation or additional polishing products are required, and the spray can be used on multiple exterior surfaces. So if you decide to purchase the products, you'll have to visit the official website, choose the package that you want, click on buy now, enter your shipping information and your payment information. But before completing your purchase, make sure to review your order price and shipping information, return policy, and warranty so you know exactly what's included. And the website states that the product is backed by a 90-day money back guaranteed, as it says here by the website. So taking a few minutes to review these details and do your own research is always recommended. And of course, if you have any questions, they do have here like a frequently asked question section if you have one of those. And also they do have a contact option at the top left here if you want to contact them directly. And as with any automotive care products, make sure that you follow or to follow the manufacturer instructions carefully, do your own research, and only purchase if you're comfortable with the products and its features. So if you found this helpful, hit that like and subscribe button and watch our next video.